Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon if you like our content. Space is the final frontier. But where does it begin? Is there a definitive line between space and the atmosphere here on Earth? Establishing that boundary is far from simple. The edge of space has been debated for centuries, and different people have offered their own answers to this question. Some argue that the Kármán line, a point located 100 kilometers above sea level, is an acceptable demarcation for where space begins. Others believe space exists at a much lower altitude, such as the 50-kilometer mark set in 1962 by US-Soviet aeronautical agreements. Despite these two well-known boundaries, no true definition of space has been accepted by scientists or governments around the world. Let's discuss the outer space laws to understand the beginning of space. Outer space laws are an important topic to consider when discussing the boundaries of space. It has become increasingly relevant in recent years as governments and private companies have become interested in space exploration and exploitation. The 1967 Outer Space Treaty, OST, is one of the first international agreements on the use of outer space. It is still the most widely accepted agreement today. The OST states that no country can claim sovereignty over any part of outer space or celestial bodies within it, such as planets or moons. Additionally, its terms require nations to cooperate with each other while exploring and utilizing outer space for peaceful purposes only. Weapons testing or placement are not allowed under this treaty. Furthermore, all activities must be conducted with due regard for safety and environmental protection, both on Earth and beyond our planet's atmosphere. Space exploration has been a fascination of mankind since the dawn of history. From the earliest observations of celestial objects, people have wondered what lies beyond our atmosphere and how far we can reach. Today, we find ourselves closer to understanding space than ever before with the advancement of technology. The obvious answer is that space begins where Earth's atmosphere ends, but this is not as simple as it may seem. The demarcation between Earth and space depends on several factors such as temperature, pressure, and particles in the air. This means that there's no one definitive answer to where exactly space begins. Instead, it varies according to altitude and location. In some areas, space may begin at an altitude as low as 35 kilometers, while in other areas it could be much higher. Our place in the universe, with a seemingly infinite expanse of stars, galaxies, and other cosmic phenomena, the universe is a vast playground for the mind to explore. Many people have wondered just how far this playground stretches and where does space begin. In some ways we can never really know for sure what lies beyond our own planet, but understanding our place within the larger universe can help us to unlock its mysteries. The answer as to where space begins is actually quite simple. It starts right here on Earth. Space begins at sea level, with all of its infinite depths stretching outwards from there. While this may seem counterintuitive at first, scientists have long used this definition as the starting point when observing and measuring objects in outer space. Thanks for watching. I will see you tomorrow, and please hit the like and subscribe button.